Hi, grade 4, Kuwaiti Syllabus. Today it will be a review on Unit 3 that we learned before. But before I will go to our review today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today I will make a quick review on the lesson that we took it before, which is to resume the unit that we took it before, which is Unit 3, Animal Kingdom. Let's learn some vocab that we learned in, or remind you with the vocab that learned in during this unit. We have dance and dancing, die, wild, cat, way, resort. Here we have resort, all these called animals, wing, rock, heave. Here is heave, related to bee, heave, hide, honeycomb, hide. Hide is the present, and hide is present, and hid is a past. Feel and field, change and change it. It changes the present and change it is the past. Beekeeper. I think all of us know beekeeper. Sting, move, amazing. Jill, insect. Cheetah, accept. Africa, ladybird, body, colorful, butterfly, spot, piggy, spotted, runner, strong, thin, here and hearing. Here is a past, and hearing is the present here, and here is the present continuous here. Hearing is the sense. Hearing is the sense. Here is a present simple, and here in the present, here in the past form. Let's go to another one. Here we have test and tested. Test in present form and tested in the past form. Hunt and hunted. Hunt present form and hunted in the past form. Life cycle. Dangers. Stage. Stage means the steps that anybody or any animal go with, okay, from baby till from baby, child, adult, and so on. Okay, this is called stages. Okay, stage, heavy, caterpillar, light. Here is cherry tails, cherry shells, kilometer, kilogram, adult, spider, centimeter, abdom, and here per hour. In this unit, we learn the arrangement or the arrangement of the events, which is first, then, next, and finally. We know this, and we know how to use it in the sentence. Here is we say, for example, when we talk about the daily routine, we say, first I get up early, then I pray and have my breakfast, next I go to school and study, and finally I go back home after the end of the day. In this unit, we learn the present continuous tense, and we know the present continuous tense is the verb is am is are is formed by what? Am is are plus verb plus ing. The keywords of this tense, it will be now, at this moment, listen, look, and so on. And today, all the keywords that related to something that we know we're doing at the time of speaking. Like we say, I'm learning English now. So now I'm learning English. Look, so and when I want someone to pay attention with me, I talk it about something happened now. So I say, look, listen. So here I would like to make this person pay attention to me. So I say, look, he is watching TV. Listen, or we say, or the teacher saying to you, listen. I'm explaining the lesson. So here I say to the student to pay attention with me when I explaining the lesson. Here we say, look, he is watching TV. Listen, they are playing music. The keywords of this tense to be now, look, listen, at the moment. All these, the keywords of what? Of the present continuous tense. I answer two of these sentences as an example of this, and I leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here we say, now we space eat, we're eating, are eating our lunch. So here the keyword, it will be now. So the suitable answer here, it will be what? It will be are eating. Why are eating grade 4? Because here we have now and as we know that now if the keywords of present continuous tense, and is are plus verb plus ing. Look, they are what? They are running quickly, are clever pupils. Listen, Tabir is speaking English. I would like to answer to make your mind and answer the rest of the exercise. Here we say correct the verbs. This is the kind of question that we can see in our exam. Here is we say Sarah. So the answer here it will be Sarah. So here the verb is not correct. So I corrected by what? By replace the wrong verb with what? With the right verb. It will be here. The Sarah is not R. I'm not. I have a mistake here. Sarah is singular. So I say Sarah is sleeping now. Sarah is sleeping now. Is because he's singular. Is sleeping. Sleeping now. Is sleeping. Sarah is sleeping now. Sarah is sleeping now. So here Sarah is sleeping now. I'm reading. I think this example is we learned it before in the examples. I'm reading. Why reading? I'm reading here because here we have now and I would verb to be is are plus verb plus ing form. Here where are they praying? Praying. Okay. And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Praying, and I put ing and the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. So here Sarah is sleeping now. So here I put is because we have here now, and here we have now English. So here I'm reading now. Where are they praying? Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Let's read. Let's do this exercise together. We space on Mother's Day. We space on my mother's birthday. We danced. Here we danced. Let's go to another one. Birds use their space to fly. The birds use what to fly? Wings are clever people. Lizards space color to hide. Lizards what? Change color to hide. Means this is called adaptation. Adaptation means adaptation that make the means that making change the color of the animals as the same environment. Here is it called not adaptation. Say I don't know the scientific term of this idiom, but I would like to say that if you have animals that change its body as the environment that we live. Here we say lizards change color to hide. Cheetahs are space runners, are speedy runners. Okay, the ant is a small insect. Space collects honey from the hive, which is collect honey from the hives. Lady bird, here is not beekeeper. Cheetah wrong. Collects honey from the hive. Here is to be here. The correct one, it will be here, a ladybird. Let's go to another one. I saw a space bird in the garden yesterday. I saw a space in the space garden in the garden yesterday. Here is it to be a spotted bird. My mother always pays the food during the cooking. Always tests the food. The box is 50 kilograms. It's heavy. The space lives near the sea. What seagull live near the sea? Let's do this exercise together. Butterflies are beautiful, flying insects with 2 large wings and 6 legs. They have 3 body parts and compound eyes. Butterflies often butterflies often have brightly colored wings with unique shapes made up of tiny scales. Butterflies attach their eggs to leaves and special glow. A butterfly life cycle is made of 4 parts: egg, caterpillar, cherry cells, and adult. A tiny butterfly egg hatches into a caterpillar. Most caterpillars are plant eaters. The butterflies taste with their foot. Most butterflies feed on a nectar from flowers. They are amazing insects. Here is we say the best title of this passage. It will be without thinking. Butterflies life cycle. The meaning of number 3, unique. Here is unique. Means what? Special. Unique means special here. Let's go to another one. They here refers to what? We will say most butterflies feed on nectar from flies. They. So here I talk about what? About butterflies. Refers to butterflies. The butterflies taste with their what? With their butterflies taste with their, as we know here, with their feet. Let's go to another one here. What are the parts of the butterfly life cycles? Let's know here, as we know here in this text: egg, caterpillar, cherry cells, and adult. How many wings do butterflies have? As we know here, how many wings? 2 large wings. Let's go. Sorry. I space get up early to be here first. She always space her mother. She always helps. Why helps? Because here is she is singular and add s. I space my homework now. I'm writing my homework now. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's go to another one. Mrs. Suzanne is a kind teacher. Look, she spaced her students. She's look here means I'm paying attention to me at this moment. To be is teaching. Listen, the pupils what are welcoming. Let's go to another one here. Faris is a fat boy. He eats too much. He has a lunch routine. He has lunch routine. So it will be here what? I start by first. He begins with salad. It will be here. Then he eats the main dish. This is then. He always eats here. Why it's here? Because he is singular, and we have always. It will be what he eats a lot of chocolate, and so I put here next. He eats a lot of chocolate. Finally, he drinks a glass of juice. I will repeat this text again. Faris is a fat boy. He eats too much. He has lunch routine. To be here when we say begins, so I start by first. First, he begins with salad. Then what? Then he eats the main dish. She always what eats. Why eats? Because he is singular and we're adding s. So after that we say next he eats a lot of chocolate. Finally he drinks. A big glass of juice. I will answer this, and I have a text about this cheetah. I will say to you, Allah give us 5 senses. They are sight, hearing. Could be here. Smelling. Could be here. No. Testing before smelling. We have here testing, sight, hearing, and testing. Tasting and touching and smelling. Okay. So Allah give us 5 senses. They are sight, hearing, tasting, and smelling. I would like to answer the. I would like to say to answer the cheetah paragraph. Let's do it together. Cheetah paragraph. Here is the paragraph about cheetah. Let's read it together. When we talk about cheetah, we say cheetah is the fastest animal. Cheetah lives in Africa. Cheetahs has long cheetahs has long. We can say cheetahs as plural or singular. We say cheetahs long legs. We say cheetahs has long legs and strong body. Make them spotted cat a speedy runner. They have good hearing and strong sense of smell. They usually hunt during day-night. They hunt gazelles and small animals like rabbits and birds. Cheetahs are very dangerous, but not very dangerous, but not strong. Cheetahs are very dangerous animals, but they aren't strong. By this paragraph, we end from our video today. By this paragraph, we end from our video today. I hope you benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.